It's not clear to me that we're ever going to overcome our deepest differences, so we're not going to be able to bridge ideological difference, but we can bridge relational difference, and that's one of the aspirations of confident pluralism. It starts with the fact or the premise that we do disagree and we're not going to agree. This idea or these aspirations of unity are really somewhat impossible, but given the fact of disagreement, are we going to be able to get along? And yes, with confidence and recognizing our true differences. The Constitution gives us a lot of room to speak and say what we want, but that doesn't answer the question of what we should be saying to one another. And so I want to suggest that rather than moving to the insults or the conversation stoppers, rather than just trying to boycott each other because we don't like each other, are there ways, given the freedoms that we have, we can actually use those freedoms to better conversation rather than to cut it short? We're going to need to do two things. We're going to need to strengthen constitutional commitments that allow us the space to disagree and to fight and to talk within civic society. And we're going to need to work on our civic practices so that our own speech and our own practices better encourage each other to bridge relational difference, even when we continue to disagree. We're going to need more examples of confident pluralism. We need to tell each other stories, and we need to highlight the good ways in which we partnership across difference, how we move into risky and unpredictable relationships. And it's going to take work because often we hear the crowding out of good stories with bad stories and challenges from other people. But there are enough stories out there. There are enough people who are really trying to partner together in meaningful ways, and we've just got to start by highlighting those.